Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change my AI gender on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. Okay, then you simply need to click on this icon in the bottom and search for my AI. Click on that. Click on the profile picture of AI, and here you simply need to click on here, customize, scroll and down, and here you can see avatar. Click on that. So here you can see that on the top is a female and it is a male, so I want to select male. Click on that, and you can select the skin tone of your AI from here. So I'm going to select this one, and here you can see a hairstyle, so I want to change hairstyle. So let's suppose this one. Okay, so it is up to you. You can select different hairstyle. So here you can see different hairstyles. So I'm going to select this one. This look decent. Okay, and click on save. So here you can see that now my AI gender is changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.